Okay, everybody, I'm trying something new. Using a selfie stick, get a little bit of a different perspective. I am going to call the sheep in this evening, and I wanted everybody to see how I do it. So, hang in there and you'll get to see a mob of sheep storming the gate. Acting like they're dying when they're truly not dying. Starving to death for food like they will lead you to believe that they are. Alright, hang on. I'll get the grain in and then I'll show you what happens. You need to get back. Alright, friends, here we go. I'm going to step back away from the phone because I am quite loud and don't want to put your ears out, but enjoy the show. And once they all get in, I'll turn the camera around and let you get a good view of the mob eating. Alrighty. They're stirring up the dust. It is dry and dusty. Whew. Here they are. All the hungry heifers. and Weathers. Hey, Grace. It's so dry right now. It is stirring up the dust pretty bad. But they go with this grain like they are starving to death. And I swear, they're not. They're not starving to death. Hey, Drift, you're not starving. But you can't tell a sheep that. A sheep believes deep in its heart that it is going to die without grain. Truly does believe that. Here's my sweet Nora. Hi, Nora. She is the face of my logo for Naturelane Fiber. Here is her daughter Mallory. Mallory has a beautiful fleece, as you can see. This is where I am, James. Or not James, I'm sorry. James is Mallory's dad. This is Benny. My ram Benny. Oh, and look, somebody didn't come in. Who is that? Oh, that's Bramble. Let's get him in. Come on, Bramble. Come on, Bramble. Come on, Bramble. Come on, Bramble. Shut the gate here so nobody comes out. Bramble was sidetracked because he was here when I dumped the grain out. Come on, Bramble. Come on, Bram. So he thought that if he stuck his head through the fence, it would get him what he wanted. Come on, Bram. Come on, buddy. Come on. All right, hang on a minute while I get him in. Here we go. He probably missed all the food, though, which he will be very, very sad about. Who is that coughing? That is Fury, Nora's daughter. That's because she tried to eat that grain too fast.